All right, guys, so in this part of the video, I'm going to be talking about exactly around this area. 3 years ago, I was here waiting for deliveries. So I was a delivery driver, delivering orders for these restaurants that are around. Different video on my YouTube channel that I haven't produced ever before. This is a day in the life, and you guys are going to be seeing a glimpse of what my life is day to day in this video. And this is quite not like every other video where you see somebody wake up in the morning, put out their alarm. No, this isn't really like that. And to be quite honest with you, last night I went to sleep really late, and that's just one of the things about business that you can't always run on a schedule. Things can be unpredictable sometimes. So I had to go to sleep late last night. But anyways, here we are. It's 1 p.m. here in Miami, and I'm going to be showing you guys what my typical day is like. I'm going to be going into one of my students' stores right now and checking up the stats. So for today, the store has generated a total of $1,594.15. And if I go over here to the analytics, we're gonna find out and see that ever since this April 1st to July 14th, we've generated $298,000 in revenue. Conversion rate is incredible. So like she seems like she's got a lot of questions, but as soon as we're able to clarify all the things that she's going through, then definitely I'll be sending her some of my YouTube videos, some of the case studies, and even producing a vlog today. That's going to be very helpful. Usually I like to come to the gym, and it's one of the most important parts when building health, and it's something that each and every one of us should do. And let's get right into it. All right, guys, so the muscle groups that we're going to be doing today is tricep and a bicep as well. So I'm going to be walking you guys through on my workouts, and I just did a little bit of cardio. It's really good to get your heart rate up, and right now that I got my heart rate up is the best time to get into those workouts. So let's go into it. All right, guys, so here I am at the park. We're gonna be playing some basketball. This is actually my favorite sport. I don't consider myself the best at it at all, but I just enjoy it really much, and just gonna show you some snippets of me playing basketball. So here we are. All right, guys, so in this part of the video, I'm going to be talking about exactly around this area. 3 years ago, I was a delivery driver, and so I was basically managing a team of guys where I was one of the delivery drivers, and I was delivering orders for these restaurants that are around here at South Beach. But anytime that I could, I would learn about drop shipping. Anytime that I could even take a glimpse of my phone, I would also search about mindset. It was a very important moment for me because this is where I grew. It takes an account for a lot of what I've been able to build today. And this were my beginning building blocks, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog because we're going to be going through a couple things in my story and how I've actually been able to become successful with dropshipping. Dropshipping was the one that really caught my eyes, and I knew because it's just exactly what I liked to do. And taking in consideration that it was one of the best ways for me to learn exactly, how to handle and manage a team. It was one of the best ways for me to learn marketing, and it just provided so many good benefits that it was one of the main reasons why I decided to get into dropshipping. And at that time, I just knew that I had to dive into it 100%, commit to it, and give it my best effort. And here we are now, a couple of years later. I got some students that are getting really good results with me, and it's just a work in process because I'm now pushing to get to that $10 million mark where we're able to produce my students $10 million in sales. I've already surpassed the 1 million and the 2 million as well. So I'm really eager to continue talking about my story. So one of the things about growing up here in Miami, I've always been around super nice cars. I've seen just so many people own fancy like Corvettes and Maseratis and cars like that here in Miami. It's just very normal to see that. And I never, when I was younger and growing up, I never had that possibility and don't come from rich parents. So it was something that I looked up to. And, I also knew that if so many people were able to have access to that, why couldn't I? And that's one of the things that made me fall in love with drop shipping exactly. It was one of those things where I quickly knew that despite of any obstacles, I wasn't ever gonna give up on it. And quickly, what I wanted to say is that we are the top 5, we are the average of the top 5 people that we hang around with. And my influences of listening to audiobooks, creating great connections with people that were even beyond me in progress, and also listening to educational videos. A lot of those things was what carried me forward in my process to become better as a drop shipper. And now to this day, I can successfully say that I have a great network of people that are there to support me, and I'm there to support them as well, and we continuously keep growing. And that's one of the things that I really wanted to talk about in this vlog, and it would be very helpful for me to share this with you guys. And anyways, I didn't want to make this vlog longer than it is. I've shown you guys a bit of my workout, playing some basketball, and I want to make more vlogs like this, and I'm going to be focusing in making content like that more consistently. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe. You want to stand for something or you'll fall for everything. And that power of mindset is what takes you into pushing forward, meeting your goals, having something to look forward to.